Lain sa minaw magbayo may moingon nga and become the bride of Jesus. Dapat laki gud diha. We kanang will dress and move in righteousness and become the bride of Jesus. Manang diha na magkanta ka tuwan
Sakto man.
Okay.
Become the bride of Jesus, ang babae.
ha? Dili dapat laki mo kanta diha.
Asa masugod din sa midress.
Will dress
We dress in harmony, lalaki.
will dress and
And robe. We dress of robe.
oh diha laki na diha.
Sige, ang amo na, you give me your love and I'll give you mine. We live in harmony and sunshine.
Oh diha ko to.
Dora mo niya ko duha. Sige.